Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pleasant stories and anecdotes narrated by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam. Why have enmity for the sake of the world? The world and its material things have no such value which should cause you to have enmity towards others. Sheikh Sa, may Allah have mercy on him, narrated a wonderful story. Two individuals had enmity towards each other. They even detested each other's existence under the same sky. One of them passed away and the other was very happy. One day, he visited the other person's grave and opened it. He saw that this individual's delicate body is covered in dust and is being eaten by insects. On seeing this, he visualized the sad end of the world and started to cry. He cried so much that the earth covering the grave became wet. He closed the grave and wrote the following sentence on it. Do not be happy with the death of someone. No one is likely to live in this world forever.